folks, I have a tenor ukulele to show you today, number 881. This is the best feature of this instrument is probably the beautiful curly walnut back and sides. That came from a tree my friend Chris cut, and I've been drying this out for, it seems like 2 years, because it takes a long time to come from a tree to an instrument, and I'm just really pleased with how it looks and sounds. Got some multicolored pistachio binding all around it, which looks really cool. And the top is some stripy Orford cedar. I love the darker streaks in it. Tried to match it up with a fir neck that I thought had the same vibe. And then we've got some pistachio for the rest. Got some cool grafts and sapwood in it. It's got a low G, which sounds great. Yeah, it's got a really nice balanced voice. It's not too loud, not too soft, not too bright, not too dark. I'm really digging it. Yeah, number 881. Cheers.